The sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 96. Find the largest number. So we have A, 23, B, 25, C, 27, D, 29. So how to get the largest number, ano guys? So we know that the total or the sum is 96. Total of 4 consecutive odd numbers. So what are we going to do is to divide 96 by 4. Okay guys, so 96 divided by 4. Okay, so we divide first 9. 9 divided by 4 is 2. Then 2 times 4 is 8. Then minus 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down 6. Okay, so 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then 4 times 4 is 16. Then 16 minus 16 is 0. So the answer is 24. So kaning 24 guys, mo ni siya nga itong pinaka-center. Okay, so we have 24 here. So in order to get the 4 consecutive odd numbers, so 24 is our center number. Then, kay add man ang atuaning pangitaon, add numbers ang atuaning i-total. So 24, then 25. So 25. So 25 here. So 25 guys is an odd number. Then 23 here. 23 is an odd number. So kuha nga na lang duha since we have two odd numbers na, 23 and 25. So sunod sa 25 guys is 26. Then diri is 22. So kani sila tanan ning blue, 22, 24, 26 mga even numbers ni siya. So odd numbers naman lang atuan ning pangitaon since mao man ni atong i-add so that we can get the largest number. So 23, 25. So diri after 26 is 27. So 27. So 27 here. Then here is 21. So kumpleto na guys. Nakuha na nato ang upat ka odd consecutive odd numbers. So we have 21, 23, 25 and 27. So mao na sila guys ang ato ang consecutive odd numbers. So ang gipangita diri is find the largest number. So ginadak-an nila ani is 27. Okay guys. So the largest number here is 27. Okay, so the answer is letter C. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you for watching guys. Follow and share. Share ko lang guys on how to solve this problem. So our problem here is what is the sum of the first 10 even numbers. So first ani guys, maghimo ra tayo og formula. So our formula guys is S sub n equals n times n plus 1. Okay guys, so our n here guys is equals to 10. So now we will solve. So we have, so n here guys is 10. So we have 10 times 10 plus 1. Okay guys, so we have 10